I'm Robbie Pullman. Today is May 31st, 2025. Now I'm going to play a little song for you that's going to be a freestyle riff in the open D tuning, pentatonic, triadic, blues scale. A little bit of major in it. I like to mix modes and stuff. The vernacular usage of what I'm saying. I don't care if it's guitar speak. Which I didn't think I knew, but it's all coming back now. So I have a doctorate in musicology and I write music. I have all these degrees and all these arts and sciences, but I had amnesia for 40 years. So for 20, 30 years, that's not 40 years, 20, 30 years. Let's represent that for a second. 20, 30 years, I had amnesia or Alzheimer's. Now it's getting better and I'm recovering. I found her medication. What's this? And that's just a little riff. Do I still got it, folks? I hope I do and I hope I enjoyed. Hope it ever been blessed. You can do it too. Burn bright, believe in yourself. Country, believe in Canada. Why is world at war? Two sides, black and white thinking. We're all just people. No matter what the color of our skin, no matter what nationality, no matter where we're from. So if it's Israel or Palestine or the States and Iran, or the States of Vietnam or Canada, the US and Germany back in the day, all these wars lead up to nothing. Because they weren't going to have the Christ return near and save us all. And redeem all the sinners, bring all the saints back to life, and all the dead to walk there as one in the mortal bodies, and return to their homes and peacefully just say, I'm back. So I'm back and I'm at home, but I'm back on my feet. I have Parkinson's disease, MS, it's the same thing. My cramping's gotten better, my shaking got a little better. My smoking is still pretty steady, but I enjoy it. and tastes good. I'm also a vegan, and I work out. I shaved my mustache 5 months short in November. But I have had prostate cancer. I've had brain cancer. I've had leukemia, 6 cell leukemia. And I bounce back every time I've gotten in thousands of accidents. And I've gotten in car accidents, major ones. I have prosthetic internal bodily body stuff and plates in my head and stuff. I'd like to thank all civil staff, all my fans, friends, family, all my countrymen for supporting me and treating me well and being my friends and family. And we're the human family, so thank you for being part of my project. Because the audience is the most important part. Because I'm just a maestro in the part, sings that song. So that song is called Like a Rainstorm by Him in the Blues. That means like a rainstorm. I'm the blues. Blue like wonder. Blue like makes me feel kind of wistful. There's a rainstorm today in Ontario, so from Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Welcome to my dimension. People say that I'm dependent. Lots would dictate they are wrong. Looks like Rob got his groove back before long. Thanks everybody. Should band about Pete. Canada, Bliss Kid, Tasmania, John McClure, John Torres, Tetra, Tracy Morgan, The Ones, Hollow Tone, Vorsac, Ted Evans, Cowboy Steve. He doesn't like me for Cowboy Steve, but Steve, who was at the Arizona Medical with me. And thanks to the Mug and Truffle, the Mansion, Tiernog, the Toucan, Golden Rooster, the Maison, Subway, McDonald's, Burger King. Who else? iUniverse, Ping Publishing, Blizzard Electronics, Bungie Foundation, Bethesda, the Havoc Machine Team,